And look at my baby. You look so good.
Thank you, Mom. You look so good yourself.
My dear, Canada looks so good on you.
Thanks, Dad. I missed you loads.
We missed you more. Huh? I also have to stick this bag inside there. Okay.
Who's your dad?
That's Usas. He helps around the house.
Oh, cool.
And before I forget, congratulations on being the best graduating student of your class.
Thank you, Dad.
I have a big surprise for you, Tacha.
Yay! What's it?
Before I let the cat out of the bag, you go in, refresh yourself, huh?
Aye, Captain.
Please.
Mom!
Let's go.
All right,
Let's go.
Come. Let me
My
see
God.
all about.
Tell me everything.
All right. So I have this very amazing friend who's been so nice to me. Actually, she reminds me of you, Mom.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why is that?
And so.
I know you're very tired and ought to be resting now, but I need to talk to you about something.
Okay, Mom. I'm listening.
It's about what your father asked you earlier about what your next plans are now that you're back into the country. You know your father very well. I'm sure the reason he asked you this is to be sure of what your next plans are. But just know that whatever you decide, I support you.
Mom, I know my dad wants the best for me, but I want something different. And I'd really, really be happy if you support me.
Okay?
I want to build a career in event management and interior decoration. Please, Mom.
You know, as a little child, you loved designing so much and you were very good with colors.
So you know I'm gonna do well at this. Mom, please help me understand and explain to Dad. I promise I'll make you proud. I want some plantain and I don't know. Get the door.
Yeah, who?
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my God, look at you.
So great.
You look ravishing.
In Nigeria, looks good on you too.
You saying that?
Yeah, you're not looking bad yourself.
Oh my God, look at you. Wow, 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 wow.
I'm so happy to see you.
Me too, girl, me too, girl. I hope you brought some goodies for me.
You bet I did.
Anyway, I trust you. I trust
Oh, Sass. Oh, you're still here. Get us some wine, please.
Wine.
Wine. Red wine. Red wine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Lovely.
Well, who is that guy?
Oh, some guy my dad employed to, do stuff around the house.
Okay, that's cool. That's nice. Good looking.
Yes.
That reminds me, have you heard from Dre?
No, actually, but I'll go see him tomorrow or something.
All right, that's fine. Man, I've really missed you.
Me
we're going to
too.
go out, to places, the
We have to
club.
paint the town
Red, that's the
girl.
word. That's the word. That's the word.
And your gifts. Surprise, surprise. I know you're going to love the
Are
gifts
you
I got
sure?
you.
Make I call my pikin Osas.
Hey, well, yeah, Osas.
Iye. Koye.
My pikin. God don't hear me, oh, your mama don dey waka go everywhere now. Hey, Osas. When you go come see mama now?
No, my mind I go save small things send for now, okay?
No worry. No worry. Everything go better. God go give you money.
Okay. No wahala. You go hear from me very soon.
Okay. No wahala na.
No wahala now. Take care of you, eh?
Bye-bye.
Hey.
God, I beg. Now your hand I put this my pikin o. Eh? They help me, they look am. Now you kuku be in papa. Eh? No let all those bad girls with bad eyes for city see am o. Now God, I beg, I just beg you. Eh, God.
You know what I feel like doing right now?
What?
I want to eat you right now.
What are you waiting for?
Babe, no, babe. Is that what you think, babe?
Sorry, ma. I was knocking, but you didn't say anything. Please, I'm sorry to bother you. Just that when you came back now, you were crying. And now you're still crying. Is everything all right?
Osa, why are men so cruel and heartless? Tell me, is it a crime? Is it a crime to love someone and give them your all? Tell me, is it a crime?
No, it's never a crime to love someone.
I went to my boyfriend's house today. I saw him in the arms of another woman. Can you believe that all the while I spent abroad, I kept myself for him? I never cheated him, and this is what he does to me. Man is scum.
It's okay, man. I know how you feel.
Menace come, I tell you, Menace come.
It's okay, man. Please stop crying. I know how you feel. The truth is that he doesn't deserve an angel like you. At all.
Me? Am I really an angel?
Of course, ma. You're an angel. You're a queen. And see, not all men are scum. Some men are still responsible. Some men will still value you, cherish you, and pamper you like the queen you are. And not some men that will treat you like one tout out there. You're a queen. Queens don't cry. Hmm?
Thank you. Thank you for the kind words.
It's okay. It's okay. Alright? Wipe your tears. You deserve a better man. Someone that will love you and give you everything in life. Okay? Don't worry. He will regret what he has done, though. By the time he will realize that he has lost an angel, he will come begging. I know. Okay?
You mean that? I wish I could bury you to be my boyfriend for some time so I can hear these nice words every day.
Right. You can pass for a comedian.
Yeah, I'm funny. Oh my God. Thank you. I'm fine.
Okay, ma. Let me go downstairs and boy yam. Now that you're fine. To boy yam.
Okay. Just go. It's fine. I'm okay. I promise.
Alright, ma. Please stop crying.
Smiling. Thank you, Osas. I'm smiling. Come in.
My angel. How are you?
I'm good, Mom. I'm okay.
You really don't seem okay. What's the problem?
Nothing, Mom. I'm good.
No, you're not fine. Move over. Talk to me.
Mom, I went to see Andre today. And I saw him in the arms of another woman.
What? How could he do such a thing?
Mom, you and I know that Andre does not deserve me. He does not value me.
Okay. I know you're hurting now, but you will get over this. Believe me, you guys will be fine. When I see Andre, I'm going to talk sense into him. Okay? Okay, come on.
Oh, who's there? Come in.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. It's early.
Ma, I'm sorry. Just that I think you'll be tired to come downstairs to eat. So I just had to quickly prepare this for you.
Breakfast in bed. That's so thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, looks nice.
So just eat, and be happy. If you need anything, just call me. I'm downstairs. I'll just come. Okay? Okay. Bye.
Have you ever had your life decided by others? Have you ever lived your life
by others' terms?
No.
You know, people deciding for you and all of that.
Ma, I know it's because of what happened yesterday. But please, don't be thinking too much. He doesn't deserve your tears, okay? You have value more than him. You don't have to be thinking of that. That is gone. Just think of the new chapter in your life, okay?
I don't know what I would have done. I don't know what I would have done without you. Thank you, really.
It's okay. Stop thinking, okay? It's well.
Thank you.
Bye.
So funny. So sweet. Those sass.
My love, have you seen Tacha since morning?
I haven't. I think she must still be in her room.
That's strange.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad.
Tacha, hope you're okay. I was worried about you.
Well, I wasn't feeling very well, so I decided to stay in my room and rest.
Aw, come, let me feel your temperature. You're a bit warm. How about we take you to the doctor today?
No, it's fine, Mom. Osas can take me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'll be fine.
Okay.
What are you watching?
You know, my usual soaps.
Okay, so you go get ready and get the car ready. We're going out in an hour. Go get ready and get the car ready because we are going out in an hour.
Oh, hour.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
That was sass. Hey, girl.
You're not even dressed yet. Or is this what you're wearing?
I don't know. Can't seem to make up my mind.
Just make up your mind fast.
By the way, have you heard from Andre since then?
Honestly, I don't want to hear from him. He is bad news.
Babe, I understand you, but you know, sometimes this thing happens. You know, I think you should just give him a second chance.
Read my lips. Never.
But I just think...
That's it. Okay, I'm going to dress up. Thank you for giving me the ginger. Andre, my foot.
Omo! Bring my phone. Let's call your brother.
Yeah, I'm coming, oh.
Ah, do quick, oh.
Yeah.
Call your brother. Tell your brother, say, chop money don't finish. We need money for food. We need money for food.
It's ringing. Hello, brother. I'm fine, and you? Mama is fine too. Brother, say make I tell you, if the money don't finish.
I dey hear you. I hear wetin you talk. You say una feeding money don't finish. Na the problem be that, because you know say na month end I take dey receive salary, and month end never even reach.
Yes, brother. Okay.
Give me the phone, make I follow my pikin talk. Hello, Sas, my pikin. I do. Na only hunger.
No, wahala here. I go find way. But we say on a fee hold on, Sha. If you fee wait, if you can wait before the month end.
My pikin, no worry. Everything go better. Where you dey, God go give you money. God go favor you. He go give you money. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah?
Okay. Take care of you. Bye.
Yeah, you don't hear wetin brother talk like. Say no get money.
I hear o. Omo.
Yeah.
I know say one day God go remember us.
Amen. Yeah. I bet I will continue to do inside.
No wahala. Go. Take.
What are you doing here? What do you want?
Your mom is upstairs. Babe, can you just hear me
Andre.
out?
Get out of my house!
Please, Taj. I know I messed up. And I'm really sorry. Please, just give me a chance to make this right. Please.
I actually kept myself for you, you know.
Babe, please. I'm sorry. Please.
Ma. Sorry, I brought your bag. And your phone.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Get out!
You don't just bump into people like that. What's the point of getting my girl and just spoiled everything?
Oh, sorry, bro. I was at the point.
Do not try that next time. Nonsense.
Please, honey. Consider what I told you. She's our daughter. She's now an adult. Let's give her this chance at making her own decisions, please.
My love, you know how much I've spent for her to be a certified lawyer. And she comes back here to tell me interior design. No.
Honey, I know all of that. Let's just give her this one chance to prove to us that she's capable of making decisions. And besides, her happiness is paramount.
Okay then.
Thank you, honey.
You know I will do anything for you and my daughter, huh? It's alright.
Oh my God. What did I just do? I hope I haven't messed everything up. I mean, I wasn't even able to control my emotions back there. And I think he noticed. Why am I feeling this way? He's just a driver. Not even sure he's educated. How do I suppress this feeling? Oh my God, it's burning, it's growing so fast, and I don't think I can hold it in for too long. Oh, Sass. He's so funny, he's so sweet and cute, and oh my God. I think I love him. Oh my God. Sass. Oh, Sass. Oh yeah. So, I need you to run down to the supermarket and get me crackers.
What?
Crackers, biscuits. The name of the brand name is on the paper. Okay.
Oh,
Crackers. Don't get the salty one. Just get the normal one.
okay. Crackers. Okay.
Crackers.
Okay.
Oh, Sass.
All right.
When you get it, just bring it up to my room, okay?
Okay, ma.
Come in. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, Sass. Come.
Ma, it's crackers that I bought.
I'm happy we did this.
Are you sure this is what you want?
Yes. This is what I want.
Well, I may not have wanted this, but I'm ready to give it a chance.
Oh, that's so lovely. Thank you.
Babe,
What part of it's over do you not understand?
can you just give me a chance to have a talk with you?
Okay. I'm listening.
I know I messed up, yes? And I regret my actions. All I ask is another chance to make this right. I'm sorry.
You should know me better than that, Andre. When I say it's over, it's over. I didn't go back to my vomit.
All I ask is another chance.
In my world, there's nothing like second chance. You can use it all when you're done. Let go of me!
It is not over till I say it's over. Do you understand?
You're hurting me,
I
Andre.
will not let go till you get some senses!
Stop it! Let me go! Get out! Out of my house!
Babe, did he hurt you?
No. I'm fine. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Okay. Go in. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Listen, young lady. Whatever your problem is, better take care of it. This should be the last time I would hear a complaint from Andre. And for your information, you would marry him whether you like it or not.
Please, honey, calm down. You haven't even heard your daughter's side
I
of this.
don't want to hear anything. Woman, you better talk some sense into your daughter.
My daughter, come, sit. This stubborn attitude of yours will really take you nowhere. It's high time you face reality and begin to face the fact that you're going to get married to Andre. Let whatever that happened die. No man is perfect.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad.
Good morning, how was your night?
You didn't come down for breakfast.
Wasn't hungry. Oh, Sass. Oh, Sass.
Ma?
Is the car ready?
Yes, ma.
Okay, go. I'll join you in a minute.
Okay.
And where are you going to?
Off to see a client, Ma.
See your daughter. She's now growing wings.
Honey, don't you think we're being a bit harsh on our daughter?
A bit harsh, you say? That we want the best for our daughter and you think we're a bit harsh?
That's not what I'm saying.
Then what are you saying? Look, everything we're doing right now is what's best for her. Let me ask you, would you rather she bring some guy with no background to marry her? I'm asking you. Look, we've worked so hard to build this empire. And Tacha is our only daughter. Yes. When both of us are gone tomorrow, our legacy will be maintained by she and her husband. So that is why I don't want a gold digger into her life.
What if she found someone better from a good background? And besides, she caught Audrey with another woman.
I know what he did was wrong, but he apologized. Look, we watched Andre growing up. His family is like ours. Believe me, the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. Look, my love, I won't deliberate on this again. She must marry Andre, and that is my decision.
Babe, I'm so sorry about what happened yesterday. I promise it will never repeat itself.
It's okay. Just that I'm worried.
Why? What's wrong?
What are you going to do about Andre?
I'm done with Andre.
What if he's not done with you?
I don't care. Look, Andre is my past, and you are my present and my future.
I just don't know. I just don't know what you're seeing a poor driver like me. But one thing I want you to know is I will always be here for you. I will never give up on you. I will not take this for granted.
Me too. And you are my man, not some driver. You're my king. Not a driver, errand boy, whatever. And I'll love you forever.
I love you more.
Come here.
Can I have a talk with you in my car?
Why can't we can talk here now?
Okay, firstly, I want to apologize for what happened the last time. I'm really sorry. Huh?
It's okay. That's gone. I forgive you.
I need a favor from you.
What favor?
Wow. You mean he asked you to do that?
Of course.
He offered you money?
Money to spy on you.
Oh my God. Well, good for you. All we have to do now is rock and spend our money because God has blessed us. Yo, what's my percentage?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to pay for all of this needs as well.
You're making money now.
Yeah.
On my head.
Wow.
Babe, I love you so much.
It's just like a dream to me. Oh. I won't lie. This whole thing is just like a dream. Just God has indeed blessed us, so me especially. Just imagine.
Me too, because you're a blessing to me. You're my blessing.
I love you so much.
Me too.
Mom, I really need you to help me. I love Tacha so much. It's been weeks. I call her, she doesn't return my calls or pick my calls. I know I did wrong and I'm really sorry about what I did.
Andre,
Yes, Mom.
don't worry. Tacha is going to be your wife. And there's no two ways about that.
Mom, thank you so much for what you and Dad do for me. Thank you.
If we don't do it for your futures, then no one else can. I want you to know this isn't negotiable. My husband and I aren't taking any chances, but make sure it doesn't repeat itself again.
Mom, it will never repeat itself again. I promise. Mom, I would make Tacha the happiest woman ever. Mom, I haven't seen her since I came. Is she home?
Yeah, she's out. She's with a client.
Oh, okay. I thought I would see her before I leave.
Do you want to wait for her?
If possible, Mom. Yes.
Okay, that's okay. Feel free, this is your home too. I'll be right back.
Okay, Mom. Hello? No, I'm not home yet. I'm not home yet. Once I get home, I'll call you. Yes, yes. Osato, you are not making me happy at all. What can I do to please you?
No, sir. You complain too much, oh. You like complaining.
But you know I'm telling you the truth.
What truth? Let me ask you a question. Do you take care of me? Or do you even care about me?
How do you mean? If I care about you,
I
do the best I can for you, Osato.
Which
you know
best?
that.
Which dirty best? The money I asked you for, since it's almost 1 month now, yes? 1 month, oh. Have you given it to me?
So money is not the problem that's causing this whole scenario.
God. See this one. What will I be doing with you if you cannot give me the simplest of all things I asked you for? I better shit, so not stressful.
Oh yeah, take. Now you're happy, right?
Yes, now.
Now my baby is smiling. Not here,
Hey, now you come.
It the counter for my front.
If you have behaved this way, I won't see any reason to complain about you not taking the girl away.
Osato.
Eh?
Baby G.
Stop, I beg.
It's the truth now. The love of my life. Can I ask you for a favor?
So because of this change, now you won't come to ask for favor? What is it? So this is the favor. If Afta said to kiss the hungry you since now.
Oh yeah, might kiss you more now.
I beg, kiss you. Beg, when you don't think I'm ready. I get what I do for inside before you come, so later.
We still see this evening, Abi?
I go think about them. They go, I beg.
Sato.
Hey, Queen, when are we starting this year's rehearsal?
I'm thinking we should start within the week.
I think so too. Besides, I heard that this year's festival will be bigger, so we shouldn't take any chances.
No problem, Sha. But please, hope that useless girl Omo and those are stupid friends are not dancing with us this year.
Hey, I still don't understand what you and Oma are dragging.
I hate her guts. That girl, you needed to see when I was dating her brother.
You two never like each other.
My own is that whatever it is we are doing, we should put hate aside so we can win this year's trophy. And as the assistant leader of the group, I won't tolerate any beef during rehearsal, so period. So better go and settle your scores with her before we start.
Me, I will mind my business. But if you know her, better tell her not to step on my toes.
I beg, forget the story. Queen, I heard something and I've been meaning to ask you. Is it true that Esosa left you for Ivy?
Go back and tell whoever it is that told you that both you and the person are very senseless and jobless. Rubbish.
But this doesn't warrant insult now.
Hi, Osarete. Sometimes I used to wonder if there's something inside your head.
Hey,
what kind of question is that one? You just open your mouth and talk without thinking.
I don't know why you both are insulting me now. Only ask a question. I don't know the offense I've committed.
Please, let's just leave this topic. I beg. Did I tell you that Nosa came to my house?
You don't mean it.
Oh, hey, Mom.
Good evening, my darling. How was your day?
Well, so-so.
You must have had a really long meeting.
You can say that again, Mom. I'm just tired.
I know. Speaking of which, Andre was here today. He waited all day for you.
Good for him.
Honey, I know he did you really bad, but don't you think you're pushing this too far?
Mom, for the obtained time, I have moved on and I'm happy where I am. Besides, I don't see Andre in my future. I've had a long day. I need to freshen up.
Okay.
I'm afraid.
Why?
What if your parent finds out?
I don't care.
But I care.
Don't you love me?
Of course I love you.
And I love you too, and that's all that matters.
I know, but I don't want to lose my job.
Listen, hon. You're not gonna work here forever anyway. I promise I'll protect you and I'll provide for you.
That's not what I want. I want to be able to make my own money and take care of you and my mother in the village. I don't want you to be the one taking care of me.
Look, you're not gonna work here forever, you know. And just relax. As long as you're here, I'll do what I can and we'll see. Everything will be alright. Have it in your head. Come on, cheer up.
You're my joy.
You are my everything.
Sir, please. Ma'am, please, sir. Sir, please. I don't have anywhere else to go, sir. Please, I'm begging you. Tamper justice with mercy. Please. Please, if you chase me out now, sir, I don't know where to go. I have a sick mother in the village.
Oh, you have a sick mother in the village. You should have thought of that before deceiving my daughter into falling for you. Pack your things and get out. I don't want to see you anywhere around here.
Sir, please.
If I go up, come down and meet you here, you won't like my other side. Bloody gold digger.
Dad, please, I love him, Dad.
Will you shut that your stinking mouth? You want to bring disgrace to this family?
But Dad married you when he had nothing. Why are you acting all rich and bougie now?
The next time you speak to me in that manner, you will regret it. And as for you, make sure my husband doesn't come down here and meet you here.
Let's go. Come with me.
To where?
So, what are we going to do now?
Do you have any idea?
There is none on my head for now. I'm still thinking. That's why I was asking you to where. To where are we going?
Okay, you know what? We can put up in a hotel for some time. I mean, I've got money. We can be in a hotel while we think of something to do. I don't know.
Huh. That hotel thing, I'm not sure it's going to be okay. Because the only thing on my head now, just that is you cannot obviously do it. The only thing on my head is my village. It's to just run back to my village, and you cannot stay there because my village is not where you can stay. So if you can beg your parents, they will forgive you. After I'll be coming to see you anytime.
Babe, would you take me to your village?
To my village?
Yes.
Ha, that is not possible. You know, you can't even stay in my village. Oh. Just go back to your parents. Well, I will come and be seeing you. It's not like I'll just go like that.
I want to go to your village. I want to see your people. I want to see your mom. I want to know you. Look, anywhere you go, I go.
You don't even understand what I'm telling you. My village is not where you can go. A rich man's child like you.
Come of it.
My house is not fine, though.
Your heart is fine, and that's all that matters to me. Okay? Okay? I'm gonna get all my stuff. Well, at least most of my stuff. And then we go together. Okay? It's fine. I promise. Yay! I'm so excited.
Nothing they bother you.
No. We're together. That's all that matters.
Tasha? Tasha? Honey? Tasha! Baby! Honey? Honey? Tasha! Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Hello? Honey?
Hope you and your friends are preparing for the festival.
Yes, so we have even started our dance rehearsals yesterday.
Hey, hope you are see the dance leader. Eh? What they see? Oh, my Tikino sir! Welcome. I don't miss you. Hey, where you see this Oyinbo carry come?
Mama will go inside first now.
Chai,
welcome.
Come on,
carry back.
Hey, Chai.
How you doing now, Mama?
I don't miss you. I did fine. Chai. Hey.
Mama.
Hey. Welcome. Chai.
Woman, you know this is your fault, right?
How is it my fault? She's your daughter too.
Oh, she's my daughter. Each time I want to discipline that girl, you plead on her behalf that she's still a child. Now this is the result. Without any atom of fear, Tacha, my daughter, drops a note for us and elopes with a man. Isn't that preposterous?
Me, I want my baby back home. I beg you should allow her make her own decisions sometimes, but you refused.
This is the kind of decision she would have been making. No, I'm asking you. Look. Anyhow you want to get through to her, please do. And tell her by the next 48 hours, if she doesn't return to this house, I will tell her I am my father and I came to this world before her. Rubbish. Sit here and be shedding crocodile tears.
Where will I see her to tell her that one? You won't listen to me, and now you want to put everything on top of my head. Where's my baby?
Man, I messed up. I should have carried her that day, but it never occurred to me.
That was a very big mistake you made. Like, I'm worried sick about her. My mom keeps calling me every now and then, asking about the whereabouts of her daughter.
Don't you have any information about this guy, his friends, where you have lived or something, anything?
I know absolutely nothing about it.
Because I think this guy must have kidnapped her. Or kill her because our numbers are not going through.
He did not kidnap or kill her. She willingly eloped with him. Because she left a note for her parents telling them not to bother about her whereabouts. So she eloped with him, obviously. But don't worry, I'm sure she'll be found. She'll be okay. Okay? Yes.
My pikin, how you dey?
Mama, I do okay now. As I don't see you now, at least I don't dey fine.
In fact, I dey happy to see you too. Eh? Hope you are fine.
I dey fine now. Why not go fine?
You no need anything.
I no need. If I need anything, I go tell my mama now.
Trust you. My pikin. Who be that girl wey follow you come?
Mama, na my oga daughter.
Hey, your oga's daughter? Hey, wetin you carry her come do for village?
Mama, the thing be say, me and her, we dey do friendship. That is, we dey in love. So as we dey see each other now, my oga come find out say I dey see her pikin. So na so him vex, him and the mama come say make I no dey work for them again. Come even pursue me comot from the house. So as I wan go now, the pikin she no gree due to the love wey she get for me too. She come say she no go just leave me, make only me comot. Say she go follow me go anywhere.
Hey,
Wetin happen?
Oh, say, wetin I do you? Why you wan bring problem come for me? Eh? Mama, you carry your oga pikin.
Reduce your voice now. Yeah. Only me and you dey talk. Why you dey shout?
You carry your oga pikin come. Eh? Hey!
Reduce your voice. Okay,
I
no
want problem. I no want wahala at all. What I say? I don't know where you carry that girl come from. They can make you return her back to where you...
Reduce your voice now.
They can back to where you carry her come from. Yeah. Hey? I don't want wahala. Hey.
What's the shout? I go pursue and come out before. And she won't follow me because I tell her and say, me, no follow me. Tell her something, she go sit there and say, baby. I thought you were sleeping inside though. Huh? Are you okay?
I heard everything. I heard everything your mom said. And I love you, but I don't want to cause a problem between you and your mom.
No.
Maybe I should just leave in the morning.
No, my love, don't say that. My mom is not like that. You know, she's just being a mother. She's afraid that your parents might come here and start making problem. She's not like that. But don't worry. I know her too well. I will still talk to her. Okay?
So,
of course.
okay.
It's okay. I hope mosquito is not biting you.
Just a little over here.
Any mosquito that bites my baby, I will fight that mosquito. Are they mad? Are they mad? Are they stupid to bite my baby? Don't worry, okay? I thought you wanted to sing for me.
I have a terrible voice, no.
It's a lie. I've heard you sing.
Osase, I think say I don't tell you make you take this girl back to your family.
Good morning, ma.
Hey! What is good about the matter, eh? I say I don't want to see you for my house. I don't want your rich parents palava at all.
Mama, what me this one now? Why they do like this now? Why they make things difficult for me? Me and you never talk.
Yeah, Osanoba, frustrating you. This is my husband's house. I don't want to see her for here. Hey, Tacha, I've been waiting to call your name. Pack your load and leave my house.
Mama, stop this thing now. Stop.
Rubbish.
I don't like this thing way they do. I don't like this thing way they do. I don't beg you. Why they do like this now? Why they frustrate me now? I never beg you. My love, you don't stop this thing now. Stop this thing, please. Just... My love, please. I will talk to my mother. She's not like this, so she's just being afraid that maybe... But
She's just made it clear that she doesn't want me.
No.
I have to go.
No, now. Go to where? Just give me small time to talk to her. My mother is not like this. You will see she will like you later. Please.
No.
Okay.
No, I must leave.
My love, stop crying. Do you really love me?
You know that I love you. But I just don't want any trouble.
If you love me, you stay. Just give me small time. Just small time. I will talk to my mother. Please. I'm already doing it. Please. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Please. It's okay. My mother is the sweetest person you can ever meet. She's just being afraid. Okay? I'm coming. Stop crying.
Careful.
It's okay. Mama.
I just pray that this is not one of your stupid pranks, so. Okay. If I should get to that place and find out you are lying, it won't be funny, oh. Let's go now. Walk fast now. Let's go in there. Let's go. Let's go when we reach now. Sas.
How you doing now?
I'm fine.
Good day. How about you?
Fine.
This one when una come see me, I hope are they safe.
Oh, sir, so you came by, you could never send someone to come and call me.
Which one besides I came back, I didn't send anyone. Me and you, we see they go that lane. That one don't pass now.
Oh, sir, I've missed you.
I beg, shift first, shift. I don't tell you this thing before now. Most person insult you before you get sense. Whatever we had in the past, don't end. As I come out from this village, you don't finish.
I know now, but we can't do what we share.
I beg, forget grammar, I beg. I mean they speak English for. I don't tell you say that one don't pass. We don't move on. Everybody don't they answer their surname. You don't get boyfriend. The main thing I make when I love each other, more salobua bless on our relationship. No, they come here, they bother me. I hope say your mama do okay, Abi.
See, Usaz, what matters is what we feel for each other. Look at you now. You are looking more cute than you used to before you left the village.
I beg, I do something inside, I beg.
No problem, I'll wait.
Are you seriously going to sit there and wait for him?
Madam, if you cannot wait, that is the road.
You heard him now, move on.
The village is so lovely. I'm glad you love my village. Don't worry, one of these days I'm going to take you round properly.
That'd be nice. Hey, I see you have visitors.
Don't mind these stupid girls. And you too. What are you doing in our house?
Queen, let's go.
Come go far. No, come back. No, come back and wait for your ancestors now. Nonsense. Ozua. See, I don't want to see. I don't see those stupid legs of yours in this house again. Rubbish.
I called this meeting because of you, Tacha. I know I have been strict to you. But my daughter, one thing I want you to understand is that a mother is like a mother hen who shield her children when there is an attack. Tacha, you see these two? They are all I have. I shield them like mother hen. I know Osas has grown. He's a full-grown man now. But I still see him like that little boy that sucked my breast. When he came back from city, he told me everything that happened. I was very scared because of your parents' problem. But now, one thing I have realized is that sometimes you have to fight for what you love so that it will stay with you forever. So for that reason, I welcome you into our family. This is now your home. You are now part of us. Feel free to ask me anything you want.
Thank you, Mama. I really, really appreciate it.
You are welcome, my daughter. You know I love you so much.
Oh, I love you too, Mama.
I love you too.
Hey.
So where's my own hug?
Hey! This small hug. You don't dey jealous now. Tie! Somebody will not hold you.
Love, I have told you. The police are on it. You get my daughter back, okay?
I just want my baby back.
Don't worry. She'll definitely come back. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. She'll come back, Is it okay? She'll come back, She'll come back. Yeah. She'll come back.
Hello? Inspector, any news yet?
Nothing yet, wait.
What do you mean nothing yet? It's very obvious you don't know your job. How can you not find a missing person? Then what are you wearing that uniform for?
With all due respect, I know my job very well. After, this is not a case of a missing person. She dropped a note that we shouldn't be found. And we are just stressing the police. When all these girls without control misbehave, they put it on.
Wait, are you trying to say that my daughter doesn't have any home training? You're...
After I go here with the man, we are just stressing the police. Morning, you know, blind. I'll beg, good day, man.
Wait, hello? Wait. This idiot hung up on me.
Oh, so media man. How did you sing it? Hey, babe.
You're not done?
No, I'm not done. Barely started. I see you going to the farm.
Yes.
I want to come with you.
No, you can't come with me.
Please, I want to experience the lifestyle. I want to see everything. I want to
You've
do everything.
experienced enough. You're living here, you're sweeping, you're doing the cooking, and it's okay, okay? You can't go to the farm, my love.
No.
No, baby, you cannot go to the farm. There's no shade there, and I don't want sunflies to bite you, okay?
You know, I wish I had enough money so I could get you a big tractor and mechanize your farm work.
Oh, bless your kind heart. Talking about that, you see, last 2 years I applied for government grants for farmers.
Oh.
Just that they've been telling us next 2 months they'll
Wow.
so I'm still hoping that, you know, something positive will come up.
Oh my word, I hope it comes through.
Exactly.
I'm really hopeful for you. That's
you.
great, you're a man with a vision. That's so sexy.
Thank you.
Mama must not hear me. Okay, so be safe out there, okay?
Sure, I will. And be fast so you go inside, eh? Don't go out, okay?
I will try my best.
Don't go out.
Okay,
Don't!
Okay.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
Osato, please. What have I done that you want to break up with me?
Is there
please.
dust in your ear?
What have I done?
Is there dust in your ear? I said I am tired of your relationship. Please, I want to plan my future.
Osato, I see myself in your future. I'm not stopping you from planning your future.
Bomb dey your head. You were not even there present. You dey pick future. My friend, I need you to be very far from me. Because right now, my future is back.
So this is about Osas, right? Osato, this is all about Osas.
Now your mouth, you feel talk any nonsense you want to talk.
Osato! Osato! Osato!
Babe, there's something I want to tell you. So, I went out the other day and I tried to make payment with my card. And I realized all my accounts are frozen. And it's got to be the handwork of my father.
Really? So, why didn't you tell me?
I didn't want you to be worried. And you have nothing to be sorry about. This is my decision. I chose you. I'm happy about it.
But I'm not happy I'm making you go through all these things. Huh?
I'm happy I'm with you. We're together, and that's all that matters, okay? Don't worry. I'll find a way to raise us some money. We'll be fine.
My love, don't you think it's high time you put your SIM card in your phone?
No. No, babe. If we do that, my father can trace us. We don't want that, do we?
I know, but I just feel you'll be missing them. I don't know.
Honestly, I miss them. And I just hope that one day they'll understand how I feel about you. And then we will all be together. A whole big family. But for now, we will be alright.
Okay.
Osas! Hey! Osas! So now because of this expired albino, this cheap thing, why they do for this village?
What I will not take is calling my woman names, so. Don't ever call my woman names.
Oh, really? Your woman. Breaking news, madam woman. Osas na my man. And nobody go fit take her for me for this village.
Osas? Who's she?
I love, don't mind this mug girl. She's a nobody.
Me and nobody. It be like they not tell you. They need a community belong to Sato for this village go scot-free. I go chew you. I go kill me. Okay. No, don't worry.
You want them, Abi? It be like say they mad, Abi. It be like say the devil won't use you, Abi. Okay, babe, walk.
Okay.
Walk, make you touch you first. Let's go. When I say move, you move. Touch her. Touch her now. Touch her.
Hey.
Don't say no get sense. Okay, try this thing next.
I go show you.
I'm not fair.
I go show this girl.
Don't worry.
I go show her.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm suddenly behind you in this village. In this village. How will
because
you
say she be Oyibo.
Because
just no, leave her. Oyibo for city. Because I'm black. I go show her. Where will they go?
Wait. Because of that small fight, our names have been moved from those that perform at the festival.
Yes, so. Yes. And do you know the most annoying part of it? Osato came to me. She looked me in the eyes with so much guts and said, she was the one that went to report us. And as long as I remain the group leader, that she's going to frustrate me in this village. See Osato now. Osato won't frustrate me for this village.
If I say that I won't carry this water for my head. Me not give me this smile buy.
He reached to buy you.
See this girl, I go make sure she no get peace for this place. I won't buy this case. Give me this case now.
That means my hunch was right. Something told me that she would have been the one to report. That girl is heartless. All this just to get back at you.
Oh, see, girl, see. It's not time we plan this game. Maybe we plan now.
Relax. If that girl don't know waiting I don't plan for her for this village, she would be.
My children. Thank you. How you na dey?
Fine, Mama.
What of na, Mama?
She did fine. Should I bring your food now?
No. I just come now. Make I go inside first.
Come. You see this is what I want to tell you now. I no go talk am again. And it better as all your friends dey here, make I talk am. You see that Osato? Help me warn am o. Make that girl avoid me for this village o. Make she dey her day, make her day my day. I no go talk am again o. I go kill that girl o. Can you imagine that stupid girl? That stupid girl stop me and Tacha for road. They want Tacha say if she no take her, say she go kill her for this village. Say that Tacha make me never feel forgive her.
Hey!
I go kill her o.
I dey go their house now.
I don't think I finish. Okay.
Mama, no worry. Mama, leave Osato. No worry, I go deal with Osato. I will deal with her. She has beaten more than she can chew in this village.
Calm down.
I trust you. In fact, you are the true daughter of your father.
Una see what you say, she una don't see her. Mama, no worry. No worry. Let Mama go inside. No worry. I will deal with her. Wait, just no worry.
See that girl, we need to package that girl well.
Make you no worry.
Mama, we dey wait oh.
Where is that idiot? Where is that good for nothing fool? Oswa! Osato, come out here!
And who is that fool spitting all over my compound?
See, Osato, I tell you. I've come to give you a serious warning. Stay away from my family. Stay away from my family, especially my brother's wife.
Or what? I know you're not used to this kind of environment. That's why you can come into my father's compound and be spitting up and down. Don't allow me swear for you. Don't just allow me swear for you.
See, Osato, you know, say if I dey look you, as I dey look you like this, and a balloon at the sea. Anytime I dey see you like this, and blow at the sea, and a small needle, I go just tie like this, I go choke you, you go bust. You just empty, but you know, Osato, you empty. Hold on, let me talk to this fool. Like, who do you think you are? Who the freaking head do you think you are? Go to Ireland or what? See how basically you're be.
God! Who they talk? When human being they talk, monkey follow they put mouth. I don't blame una. You know what you go do for me? Just wait here. No come out, wait. Ma go inside, come out. Then we go know who they go squeeze boss. We go now empty. No, just hold on for me. I'm coming.
My friend, shut up. Nothing tell you.
Wait, now I'm coming.
No, he never finish. Oh, Osato, he never finish. We dey come back and not this time we go carry come back. Don't worry. We dey come back. No worry. Shebi you abi? No worry. No worry. No, girls, let's go. No worry. It's yourself should be. That's just fat. Never go punch your back.
I really understand where your anger is coming from. But don't you think you're taking this too far?
What are you saying? What is she taking too far? Is it the fact that a total stranger came from nowhere and took her mind away from her? Or is it the fact that...
Can you for once in your life tell Osato the truth as your friend, eh? You and I know that she broke up with Osas before he left for the city. Do you remember how then Osas would come to us, begging that we help him plead with Osato? Or have you forgotten?
My problem with you is that you don't even know where to support a friend. You just open your mouth wide and start saying anything that you like. Who told you that they broke up? They only went on a break. Oh, for God's sake, and the both of you just shut up. Can the both of you keep quiet? I've been trying to take care. But you will not just let me.
Madam, I beg they calm down. Let me see you the Sean Percy anyhow now. Ha!
Guys. I want my Osas back. I want him back. But the problem here is that Omo. She's a thorn on my flesh. I can't have my Osas if I don't get her out of the way.
If you ask me, Osato, I would say you should forget about Osas. Okay, look at Nosa. He loves you so much and ready to do anything for you. Stop chasing shadows and...
Madam, I beg. Swallow this your advice. I don't need it. If I need advice, I know where to get it from. In fact, you know what? Both of you come and start going. Even me too. I don't understand. Your papa no get compound. I said come and start going. No problem. No wahala. I don't let go.
Look at you.
Hey. You are big now. I should be calling you Sister Omo now.
So my brother left the village and you just left to disappear.
It's not like that. It's not like that. You know, man has to hustle. Eh?
I know.
How's Mama?
Mama is fine, but she went to see her friend.
Okay, see, you help me hold this one for her. Eh?
She's only Mama you bought something for.
I should trust me now. Eh? Yours is in there too. Eh?
Thank you.
How's that your... My God!
Oh boy! Hey. What's up now?
I did alright.
I was saying you never agree come since when I come back.
No vex.
Did not tell you say I come?
Why you think I did here? Eh?
My guy. How far now?
I did alright.
Oh, sit down. So you don't move finish.
See you, Seth.
So my guy. Now so I see him all.
What you go do this matter now?
What I fit do am now? Now so I see him. We go. I will dey here because even my girl no agree. She said anywhere where I go, she go follow me. Anywhere where I sleep, she ready to follow me sleep there. Anything where I go eat, she ready to follow me eat am. And me where dey, I love am so much and I no ready to lose her. You get? So that one na just normal kalu. Because nothing fit make me change from the way where I take the love her. And I suffer, we will suffer, and the suffer will do so. I don't even know as it won't be tomorrow, but man, do what makes you happy. Abi? Yeah, now. Go for what makes you happy.
In fact, I like waiting at the year. You know, say, now logo be that. Anything where you want, fight for him.
You know now. You know the story. So that's all.
You get another matter where I won't follow you talk. Now, as per your sister, I don't like your sister. You don't say. I don't go like her me here for another person as we be brothers now.
Which of the sisters now? Omo, my.
Why they talk like this now? Yes, now Omo.
Because I know say I don't get any other sister.
Are they serious?
Omo.
Omo.
This guy. You get liver. My only sister. Anyway, the thing be say, you, na my day one. Me and you grow up together, you get? And I know say you dey responsible. So, and you know say, na she be the only sister wey I get, and I know they use her play, abi? You still dey your head, confirm. So wetin I dey try let you know now be say you dey responsible. So you no go work.
Why do you talk like this now? You my guy now.
I be your guy. You no get sister. Why I no go?
You just talk say you no fit mind your own.
No worry. I just dey joke give you.
This guy, which kind of play me down? So you don't give me approval now.
Short, wait first. Why they do faster than your shadow now? I just talk no wahala. You don't say I give you go ahead. Yeah? Now so you want date my sister? No wahala. You na correct guy. And you dey responsible. My prayer na make I get person wey go take care of my sister. We go love her. And I know say you no go do am bad thing. So
my guy,
I give you go ahead.
I miss you.
So make you treat am fine, oh.
You suppose
you
trust.
Know everything,
you suppose trust me now. See, I promise you.
Except say you don't like yourself again. You know that kind of thing.
I'm saying if you beat me, but anyhow.
You be muggle. Me, I don't feel beat you.
What are you doing here?
Osato, please, I need to
No, sir. What are you doing here?
Osato.
Yeah.
Please, I'm begging you. I made a mistake. I was thinking I could live without you, Osato. I thought my life would be better without you. I thought I was better off without you, but Osato, I made a mistake. And for that, I'm terribly sorry. Every time I close my eyes, all I think about is you. In my dreams, I see you in my dreams. Every thought, even as I breathe, I can't breathe without thinking about you. Osato, I made a mistake. Osato, please, give me a second chance.
No, sir. What exactly don't you understand? I don't see you in my future. You are not my kind of man. Can't you get that into your Tisco?
Osato, I know you don't see me in your future, but at least allow me into your present. Osato, please. I'm begging you. Because of the love once had, take me back, please.
It's fine. Get up.
So is that a yes?
I guess so. I beg, don't squeeze me, don't do.
It's not my fault, It's the love I have for you. It's like I love you so much. I swear I won't disappoint you.
I beg.
I promise you. As a sign of my commitment to you, manage this. Buy whatever you want to buy. All of me. You get more, this is just the beginning.
Thank you. If we used to behave like this, I don't think we would have broken up.
Don't worry about that.
No, sir, you have to start going now. You know it's still too early. I'll come and see you.
You sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Sure.
You promise?
Promise.
Don't let me down.
No, I won't.
Alright. I love you.
I've heard.
Okay. I'll be on mine.
Okay.
We'll see you later.
Alright.
I still can't believe you are mine. Honestly, this feels like a dream. Omo, thank you for giving me this chance. For giving us this chance.
I know, right? You know, I've always wanted this to happen.
But at some point, it felt like an impossible wish. Thank you. Thank you for owning up to my brother.
You know, the truth is, I've always loved you. But because of how I respect your family and your brother, I told myself I was going to be patient. So I don't think I'm trying to play you or something. I must see this journey we've started. I'm going to cherish you for the rest of my life. And I'll do everything within my power to make you the happiest woman on this earth.
Now you're making me emotional. Come here.
So, any news yet?
Nothing yet, Andre. And I really feel for Mom.
You know, I thought your friend was smarter than this. Honestly, I feel so disappointed with her.
When last did you hear from her Mom?
Well, I called her a few days back, and believe me when I say that she wasn't sounding so good.
You know, the most annoying part of all of this is that she could not even confide in me, her best friend. Like, it's just so annoying.
She knows that if she tells you, you will tell her parents.
I don't even care what she thinks. Like, I'm so disgusted and disappointed in her. Like, I'm so irritated and disgusted. Like, imagine a professional lawyer that went to Canada, settling for a common house help, houseboy, where they came from. Like, what the hell is that?
Lucy, I think I'm done. Because I can't keep on waiting for someone who is with another guy. I can't.
Hold on. Hello, Mom. Now? Oh, okay, I'll be right there. That was Tacha's mom. She said she wants to see me and she sounded really urgent, so I have to leave.
Okay.
I'll let you know what happens.
Thank you so much, Lucy.
Mommy, please stop. Please. You give yourself a headache. Please.
I want my baby back.
Mom, Tacha will be back. I promise you. Just relax. She will be back. I promise. Please. Just stop. Please.
I know that bastard is suffering my daughter. Does she even eat well? Are they taking care of her? I've been speaking with the police, but they haven't given me anything concrete.
Mom, you just need to calm down, okay? Just relax. Mom, Tacha will be back. I promise you this. Don't just look at yourself. You want to kill yourself. Calm down, Mommy. Have you been eating today?
I'm not hungry.
Mom, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Let me go and prepare something for you, please. Calm down, okay? I'll be back.
My guy. Oh boy, I must greet you specially. No. If anybody will see truth, may talk. The way you treat my sister, my guy. My sister these days now so happiness. If you do her bad things, she go laugh, tell you thank you. I must greet you.
My brother, I said, myself, I don't understand. The love.
No. Even Mugo self go see him. He's everywhere now. You see love, Love now one thing will be say if you dey in love with the right person. Some kind things no go they bother you. You know, you go just dey on soft. Anytime when you remember the person, you just smile. All these small laugh where we say you go laugh. Some kind dimples go show. You know that kind of happiness. No, I feel am. I tell you.
Oh, Sas.
From where?
I came from my house now. I came to see you. I was missing you.
Again? You know the year word?
Usas, my life is incomplete without you. I love you so much. I know I've wronged you, but I'm sorry. I
don't understand though. Now me, Osas the poor boy. When they smell fish. Abi, now this might be a bit confused.
I don't even understand.
Maybe you talk say because I don't get money, say you don't want get anything to do with me. You want go friend city.
It was.
Now still me, the money never still come. I mean, this my gym they confuse.
See, so many things have changed. Osas, you are the best man in my life, and I want to be in your arms again. I miss you.
This girl a real muggle. You want to be in whose arms?
Your arms.
My arms. No. Now your papa house you need to really day now. If let's say you don't get sense, this girl na muggle. You dey mad? No be you talk say I dey smell. I no get one now. Say you want to deal with city boys. Say you no get anything. Come shut up. I no dey play now. I no dey play. You dey hear me now?
Osas, it's me, sweet chocolate Osato.
I go slap this girl. Shey you dey see am now. No, shey you dey see am now. You dey mad? I no get anything to do with you. Listen, you dey hear me? I no wan see you for this compound again. As I dey tell you now, no be say I go tell you next time. I no wan make my woman. You see that Tacha wey dey inside? Na the love of my life. I no dey use her play. Na the woman wey believe me, wey be say I no get shishi. She believe me. No be people like you. Comot from here now.
Osas, I should.
Now you know say she be woman.
Wait, wetin be that one? She be woman mean say she no get sense.
You know say this thing na your fault. Why you fine? Why you fine?
You say?
I say why you fine? Now because you fine, I should follow you.
Yeah, I no really understand you.
On top waiting.
No, because you know when me and you start this discussion, I been dey help you. You get based on how you dey take care of my sister. But now when you dey talk this thing now, no come dey understand why you go dey tell your fellow man say him fine.
Bro, forget that thing, Jerry.
No, shift your leg first. Shift, go one side first. You tell your fellow man say he fine. They look me inside my eyes.
I can see it all over you, how much you love FA.
Sis, I love him so much. Honestly, like, this past few days has been one of the best days of my life.
Oh, wow. I can imagine. You see, just like when your brother and I started seeing each other, it was just... everything literally changed for me. Suddenly I felt peace and, you know, total, everything was complete in my life, in my world. And each day, the love I feel for him grows stronger and stronger. So I know how you feel.
I love him so much. Like, I just wish I could see him every day. Like,
Well, is he your first? I'm your first love.
Yes.
Oh, look at this. I know, right? Oh, it's crazy.
I know.
Oh, speak of the devil. Hi.
Hey, baby.
Hi, baby.
Our wife, just looking.
Fine.
Love
Where's
birds.
your brother?
He's inside.
Okay, just let me say hi to him, yeah?
All right.
I know you're bitching now. Come and sit down. Come and sit down. Come on. They say package. Come on, package for your man. You look cute. Do you like this? Crossy legs. You act like bougie and everything.
Ọmọ Sede.
Yeah. You called him.
Come and sit down here. I want to talk to you.
I hope there's no problem.
For some days now, I've been noticing you and Efe. I want you to tell me the truth. What is happening between two of you?
Eh? No.
We're just friends.
Hey. Man and woman, they do friend. Omo.
Yeah.
What is happening between two of you now?
Okay. Okay. He said he's no. He told.
Omo.
Yeah.
Now question I dey ask you, you dey shake like this. Wait. Two of una dey see each other. Hey. Simple question wey I ask you, just to give me simple answer. You come dey shake. Omo. I no fit marry you. Omo.
Yeah.
I know say you be better pikin. You no dey do anyhow like all those girls wey dey this village. But one thing I go tell you be say make you no lose focus.
Okay.
Omo.
Yeah.
Ife too na better person. E dey responsible well well. And I know say that boy he go get better plan for this family.
You dey correct.
But omo,
Yeah.
no because of love lose focus o. Okay?
Yes, ma.
Make you dey very very careful. After all, you no be small girl now. And I know say you know what is good for you.
You no worry. I promise you. I no go disappoint you. I
trust you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Abeg, go check wetin you dey cook.
No worry, ma.
My food don ready. Bring my food for me. Hey!
God, wherever my daughter is, Lord, bring her back to me, Lord. Father, Lord, make her so she's safe, Lord. Lord, you know this is the only thing I have, Lord. Father, Lord, bring her back to me. Have reason me, God. God, you say, ask and it shall be given. Please. Father, Lord, please. I don't have anything else. Lord, bring my baby back home to me. Lord, bring her home to me. Lord, bring my daughter home. Lord, you understand that I have no other love, Lord. I have no other love.
My daughter, you know what? I am just worried about your mom. Don't you think you should find a way to call her?
Mama, I know you're worried. And I miss them too. But I just have to be strong to fight this fight. They need to understand that I'm a grown woman now and I can make my own life choices.
My daughter, I understand you. But I don't want anything to cause you and Usa's pain.
Mama, please, I beg you. Don't send me away. Please. I promise everything will be sorted out. My parents will come around and everything will be fine. I promise. Just give me some time, please.
You know I love you so much. And I will never get tired of you. Okay? You are free to stay as long as you wish.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
This home is your home. You get?
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mom.
Love you so much.
I love you too, Mama.
I never catch you today. Abino, I think that day you dey sweet am because say my man, sorry. Oh, sir, I've been there with you. Today, as we use it.
And what's the meaning of this nonsense?
Cricket, today, I go show you. I go teach you lessons. So next time, you go mind your business. And you, Abino, Tacha, wetin dey call you? If I finish with you, you no go take wetin no be your own. Especially the one wey belong to Sato.
Oh, Sato, you should be ashamed of yourself. How shameful! I thought you were the woman. You are strong in this village. Why do you bring this imbecile? Huh? I thought you were strong enough. You can fight. You are bringing bodyguard.
Emma!
What do you go do? You don't do anything.
No, just pass on now. Wait, no, now wait. Hey. Wait, today.
Say, una won't fight, Abi.
Today.
You won't fight. You won't fight. Oh yeah, cross this line.
We don't cross.
Hi, this girl, you mad? They try me. Cross this line.
We don't cross.
Don't cross this line. You don't mad. Don't cross this line. It's you. Don't punish you. Don't fire you.
We go catch am. Leave am move. They go. Nonsense. Leave am. We go catch am. Imagine. No mind now. Nonsense. I'm a woman of my own. I don't need anybody to fight for me. I'm not a weakling. How can Omo think so low of me? I will show her. I will show her that I am smarter. I know what I want. I go for it and I get it.
Doesn't she ever get tired?
I wonder.
Honestly, I don't know. But wait, so how did you escape the attack? You girls don't want to know. Okay. Do you remember what I used to do when we were very little, like when we were small? I mean, getting into people's head.
Facts.
Yes. Oh, and either use what they have said before and all. Exactly. If you two get sense, that was exactly what I did.
You know you did the same thing to me when we were young.
And that's why I beg. No, just talk that your own. That time you be mumu. She be too mumu. That was very smart of you. If not for that tactics, they forbid you and Tacha. Blue black. The beating for hot. You see they talk as small. They forbid them go beat you now. The beating for hot. Okay, yeah. Hey. What did you buy?
Plenty of things, trust me.
Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go.
Go to the kitchen.
No, sir. You know, say, normally, me and you will know the pally. But no be waiting make me come here today. I come beg you. I beg. Make you help me warn your girlfriend or Sato. Make she leave me alone. Or my family. You see my girlfriend Tacha. I know they use her play. Oh. You know, if to say that nonsense when she be want do, say she succeed.
This village no go contain.
You know what's up now? You know what's up? Say this village, earthquake go happen for this village.
Osas, I beg. I'm not that kind of man now. No, not today is me. We don't do yes. We dey party together now. Not be me and you don't do. You sabi my sabi, you my guy now. I go fuck you. I'm not that kind of man now. I go take your babe from. Now your babe now. I go that kind of thing to my own personal guy now. Why I go for my own guy, babe? I know that kind of man.
Waiting this guy. You are who they do banning. You are who they do banning. And they tell you something, they speak slang for me. See this guy. She not be my girlfriend. I say make you help me one or Sato. You tell me banning. Wait till me banning.
No, make that. See, make no get issue because of babe now.
Very good. Very. Now make I leave my house. Come beg you. I beg.
You know, I beg. I go talk to her. No vex. I beg.
No go.
I go talk to her. I beg. Let me beg you. I beg. Osas. I beg no vex. Do you still love him?
Love who?
Osas. Do you still love him?
What if I say yes?
So I'm just sitting to you. What's up?
No,
I'm just
sir.
sitting to you.
No, sir. You know I'm trying to manage you. I'm trying.
You're trying to manage me. Manage me, you say you're trying to manage me. I actually deserve better than you. You're not even worth dying for.
Eh? No, sir.
I deserve better than you.
Are you mad? So you came all the way from your house to come and break up with me? No, sir. Hey! Look at this fool. Somebody I'm trying to patch his life. Hi, I don't suffer. I don't blame you. I blame myself for stupid solo to date you. You're not even happy that someone like me. Ah, no, now. Hey! Eh? And, hey, authority warned me. No, sir! Okay. You will come back and beg me. This time you will lie down flat and lick sand. He's not leaning down. Stupid boy. Hi, God. Eh?
Babe,
You okay?
I have something to tell you.
Sit. What is it?
I just want to tell you that
Tell me what?
you're going to be a dad.
I don't understand.
You are going to be a father. I'm pregnant.
You're joking, right?
What? Mama! Mama!
Mama, you're about to be a grandmother.
Sorry, say!
What took you guys so long now?
I beg no vex, Joe. Why did you call us?
Don't let me change my mind though.
Sorry.
Guess what?
What?
Very soon. I Amosede would soon be an auntie.
No! Wait. Oh my God, Tacha is pregnant.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Wow.
Are you serious?
Hello, I'm damn serious.
Congratulations to her. I'm very happy.
Thank you.
Auntie
Thank
Omo.
you. You call me Auntie Omo.
Yes, so Auntie Omo.
I
will crunch up rice.
Very soon.
What about wait? Are you even at grandma now? Mama will be.
They are not around.
People call her grandma already.
Very soon, you girls will come and eat rice.
Yes, so I'm crunch up rice.
Better rice.
It go plenty.
Yeah, we go pepper all those girls. You know this village
we
girls.
go pepper them.
Pepper them, gang. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you, really.
Sato, you have to stop crying and move on with your life, okay? The deed has been done. Calm down.
So you mean now that she's pregnant, there's no hope for me?
That's what it means. Stop crying.
I know that's truly not my own. And I know what to do. I will go back to Nosa. I will beg him. He will take me back. I know he loves me.
Hold on. Haven't you heard?
Heard what?
Musa is no longer in this village.
I don't understand.
Musa has traveled to London with his uncle.
It's okay.
Yes, sir. Who will love me now? Won't be back.
Stop crying.
All of this thing is your fault too. Just calm down. Calm down. A better one will come.
God.
It's okay. Just calm down now.
Baby, you didn't have to come.
Are you kidding me? See, when Osas told me the good news, I said I was going to come immediately. Say congratulations to my baby.
Thank you. That's so sweet of you.
So very soon, my angel is going to become an auntie.
Yeah, auntie your mom. I'm super excited.
Yeah, me too. Oma, can I kiss you?
Okay.
Baby, are you sure this will be a good idea? Do you trust her that much?
Of course, honey. Lucy is a good friend, and I think we should reach out to her. I can trust her, and we should trust her.
Okay. You can trust her.
Yes. Just relax. She's great. We can trust her, okay?
Okay. If you say so, if that will make you happy, no problems.
You're the best man in the world.
And you're the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Oh.
You give me every reason to be strong.
Oh.
How are you feeling?
Very good.
I can't wait for we to have this angel.
I
love you more.
You more.
Seems the two lovebirds are at it again.
Oh boy. Do this so.
Our wife.
Hi, babe. Let me go inside so you all can gossip.
Okay. Fun.
Welcome.
How far now? Come there. What's in the sub? Oh boy, I'm not saying you go say you don't see me again.
No vex, no vex. You know you are very lucky to have that woman.
You can say that again.
Anyways, are you ready? Just move now.
Yeah, I don't finish you. Now just my woman. Just wait, make her just freshen up. Here they come.
And when did this happen?
About 30 minutes ago. In fact, I didn't believe it. I was shocked.
So what's next?
I will check everything out myself. First, just promise that you don't tell a word of this to anybody, please.
Okay, I promise. I won't say anything. But in case you need anything, just let me know on time, okay?
Sure, I will. Thank you very much, okay? I will let you know how it goes.
Alright.
Hello. Madam, what's happened?
Good day. Please, I'm looking for Tacha.
I don't understand. You are looking for Tacha. Like say Tacha in the name of community. The only one Tacha did this community.
Please, okay, what about Osas?
Madam, you really dey confused. Everybody for this community now Osas, including me.
The Osas I'm looking for, is average height, is fair, he has beards. You should know him.
I know.
Please, can you take me there?
Madam, I beg. As you see me like this, I dey rush, they go somewhere. I dey really busy.
It's really urgent. Please, please.
If you want me to carry you go there, you go find me small thing.
I'll find you something. I promise. Please, come in. Please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
We go front.
Do you know how much pain you've caused your mother?
I know, but I mean, what were you expecting me to do in a place where nobody ever cared about how I felt?
But babe, leaving wasn't the best option. You should have at least confided in me. You almost gave everyone a heart attack.
Babe, I've made my decision. And I'm happy with it. Eventually, everybody's gonna come around.
It's okay, it's fine. I'm so glad to see you, and the pregnancy really looks so good on you.
You mean it?
Really, like you're shining and everything.
Called the pregnancy glow.
Pregnancy glow. I really missed you.
I missed you too. Lucy, I'm really, really grateful that you came today. I'm happy to see you. I need to beg you about something.
Okay.
Please don't tell my parents where I am.
Alright. Okay.
Can you do that?
I'll do that. No problem.
Oh.
So now it's time to tell me about all the G's. What have you been eating? You know, village food.
What's village food? It's African food.
African food, okay?
My love,
Yes, honey.
I'm afraid.
Why?
Are you sure Lucy coming here won't be a problem?
Lucy's good people. Look, I know not all in my life. And you can trust her. I trust her.
Okay, so you trust her that much?
Of course I do. I've known her all my life. I've known her for ages. So trust me when I say we can trust her with our secret. Trust me. She's not going to tell anybody. She's cool.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You okay?
Yeah. Okay.
You want more orange?
Okay.
Lucy, are you sure it was my daughter that you saw?
Yes, Mom. It's Tacha. She's the one.
To think I almost died from high blood pressure. Meanwhile, my daughter is out with another man somewhere, comfortably, enjoying herself without even considering how I would be feeling or what I would be going through. It's all right.
So you're telling me my daughter left all I have built for her over the years just to follow a common gold digger? Honey, you see what I've been telling you? You so spoiled this girl that she has no atom of fear in her. I will so deal with that boy and make his life miserable that when he hears my name, he will tremble in fear. Lucy,
yes, sir.
Get ready. We are going to that village now.
Okay, sir.
I know there is no news that Yan and Sati don't pass through the same path. But please, she's deeply sorry. Calm down. I know you are very, very angry. She has begged and she said she's sorry. Please, calm down. She has also apologized to your brother and his fiancé, so please, forgive her.
You're actually right.
You know what? Come with me.
Action now.
Mama, what is it now?
Love.
Stop, Joe. Which one is love? Why should you gossip?
Officer, arrest him. That is the criminal that adopted my daughter.
Yeah!
That's my husband! It's my husband, he's not a criminal.
Officer, take him away.
No!
Mom! Sir, please.
No!
Take him away!
Sir!
That's my husband!
My fellow woman, please let me beg your husband.
Who's your fellow woman? Was I your fellow woman when you and your son were kidnapping my daughter? You should be arrested too. Come on, free me, Joe.
No, Dad. All my life you have dictated to me what I should and shouldn't do. And now I'm happy you still want to take that. Look, I'm pregnant for this man. I'm carrying his baby, Dad.
Tacha, you wouldn't talk to me like that. I'm your father. And even if you're pregnant for him, I don't care. Right now, you are going with us. Now, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere, Dad.
Please, let's hear her out, eh? Let's hear her out, please.
Tacha, I will count up to 5. And if you don't leave with us now, you cease to be my daughter. 1,
Tacha.
2,
Tacha.
3, 4,
Tacha.
5. Honey, let's go.
Wait.
Let's go.
Come.
I promise he'll be out. I promise. Everything's gonna be fine. Please. She won't eat. She won't eat nothing. She's been crying all day. I'm so confused.
Mama, why are you doing this now? Eh? Please eat something. You would give yourself a headache, oh.
I want my son back. Oh, I want my pikin.
Mama. Omo, has Mama eaten?
She has refused to eat anything.
Mama, you have to eat. And if Osas comes back, you won't be happy. You won't be happy with any of us. Our wife. Please talk to Mama.
I want my son back.
Our wife, please. Please get her something to eat.
I'm going to the station to see Brother Saz.
Mama, see, we'll do everything in our power to make sure that Osas gets free. Eh? We are going to the station now. Omo.
Auntie Tacha, please just talk to her.
Please look after Mama.
Alright, thank you, Efe.
Mama, please.
I don't like what you're doing. This is not fair.
Mama, just go.
I don't like what she's doing.
Don't cry. Don't cry too.
It's okay. Mama, it's fine. Don't worry. Everything's going to be alright. Please, Mom.
Honey. Please, I want to talk to you. It's about our daughter. I know she has not been of good behavior lately, but she's still our daughter. And beg that you please reconsider, please. Release Osas. It's also not his fault. They both love each other. Please.
Mama, Osas.
My love.
Osas.
Easy, easy, easy.
I'm fine. So happy to see you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for everything I put you through. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
My son.
Mama.
Na man you be. Na man you be. God will bless you.
Amen.
God will bless two of you.
Amen.
Amen. Love, at least we don't have to worry about running or looking for a place to hide. Okay? All of that is over now.
Yes.
Huh?
Right. Happy you're back.
What?
What's wrong?
What's happened?
It's a lie. Mama?
Huh?
Mama, you know that form, that agricultural form that I filled for government now, that they said they will give me loan. Look,
yes.
They just sent me message now.
Hey!
We have granted your, they just granted the request and 1 hectare of land. Oh!
Oh God! Thank you.
What?
Say!